कश्मीर 5000 सालों की समृद्ध संस्कृति एवं परंपरा का केंद्र। कश्मीर सौंदर्यपूर्ण ही नहीं, माधुर्यपूर्ण ही नहीं, एक अद्भुत संस्कृति की अद्भुत पवित्र भूमि। पर आतताइयों एवं आक्रमणकारियों के निरंतर लगातार कुठाराघात से, उनके कुत्सित कुकर्म से कश्मीर की संस्कृति क्षत विक्षत हो गई। संस्कृति के केंद्र रहे प्राय सभी मंदिर ध्वस्त कर दिए गए। मूल संस्कृति को समूल नष्ट कर दिया गया एवं इस मूल संस्कृति के मूल संवाहकों को अपने ही मूल से निर्मूल कर दिया गया, निर्वासित होने के लिए विवश, लाचार, मजबूर कर दिया गया। स्वतंत्रता प्राप्ति के दशकों उपरांत भी भव्य एवं दिव्य मंदिरों का जीर्णोद्धार नहीं हुआ, नहीं किया गया। उन्हें उपेक्षित किया गया, तिरस्कृत किया गया, अपमानित किया गया, अवहेलित किया गया, अनादृत किया गया। आइए चलते हैं कश्मीर के ऐसे ही एक दिव्य एवं भव्य शंकर गौरीश्वर मंदिर के भग्नावशेष मध्य। Shankar Gaurishwar Temple is a Hindu temple dedicated to Lord Shiva and is located in Pattan town in Baramulla district of Jammu and Kashmir. The temple is in a dilapidated condition and worship is no longer conducted. It is built in a style similar to the Shankaracharya temple. It is listed as one of the most important temples for promotion of tourism in Jammu and Kashmir. This site is one of the listed sites under Archaeological Survey of India. The Shankar Gaurishwar temple is located at about 2 kilometers from Pattan railway station, 28 kilometers from Baramulla, 27 kilometers from Srinagar, 30 kilometers from Srinagar bus stand, 36 kilometers from Srinagar railway station and 35 kilometers from Srinagar airport. Pattan town is situated on National Highway connecting Srinagar with Baramulla and it takes half an hour to reach Pattan from Srinagar. The Shankar Gaurishwar temple was built by King Shankar Varman of Kashmir, who ruled between 883 and 902 AD. His father Avanti Varman had established the Utpala dynasty and after his death in 883, his son succeeded him. He built the temple in his capital city, then known as Shankarapatna, which is the present day Pattan, 27 kilometers away from Srinagar city, the capital of Jammu and Kashmir. He dedicated the temple to Lord Shiva. The Shankar Gaurishwar temple is named after the king Shankar Varman himself. His religious affiliation was of Hindu Shaivism. Apart from this temple, he also built another temple next to it in honor of his wife and named it the Sugandhesha temple, which was also dedicated to Lord Shiva. Built to the same plan and with intricate carvings, but it is of a much smaller size. Both the temples are seen in a dilapidated condition. Studies have shown that the temple first underwent significant damage in 10th or 11th century. This temple is an east-facing temple. It has a square, a sanctum with a portico having a trefoiled niche and a number of carved figures. The exterior and interior surfaces exhibit intricately sculpted carvings. The pediments are stacked symmetrically one above the other. The columns at the entrance are heavily sculpted in a beautiful Kashmiri architectural style, especially in relation to the detailing. The pedestal of the Shankar Gaurishwar temple and of the shrine is built in a peristyle, an open colonnaded pattern within a walled enclosure. The peristyle and plinth are buried underground. It is in the form of a cellular passage, and remnants of which are still visible. The temple is now in ruins, and hence no worship can be conducted. The complex has a beautiful garden as well. Let us hope and be sanguine that this temple will be rebuilt and restored and brought back to its original grandeur and glory.